Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart, and in this stock market update, I'm going to take a look at the SP 500 on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis and check in on three key ETFs and talk about why I feel like this market is in the final stages. So stay tuned. All right, let's start off here with the S&P 500 on the daily chart. So here we are in the final wave count that we've got in intermediate wave 5, the fifth wave, and we are in the fifth minor wave of intermediate wave 5. Now this wave 2 looks a little bizarre, and I know someone asked me about that on the NASDAQ, and I need to reply to that comment. But, you know, wave 2 and wave 4 do not have to be identical, but they're usually not identical. They're usually the opposite. And so if wave 2 is complex and kind of lengthy, then I'm expecting wave 4 to be shorter. Okay. If wave 2 has a tendency to be very sharp and deep, then I'm expecting wave 4 to be shallow. So right now, this was kind of a funky looking wave 2, kind of extended out here. And especially, I think the weird thing really that's showing up on a lot of this is that this wave 3 was so short. Now, what's going to be interesting here, we've been watching this, wave 4 in Elliott wave cannot overlap the top of wave 1. So it came very close, but did not overlap it. If you look across the top here, you see it did not get there. Now on the Dow Industrials, it did. So it's a little different picture there in the terms of the wave count. And so right now, I continue to have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like we want to continue to push higher on wave 5. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Now here's the picture on the weekly chart, and here we are trending 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do I have this line up here as my target? Wave 3 right here is 202.13 points. 202.13 points. Wave 3 can never be the shortest wave. So we started out of the chute with wave 1 being fairly long, wave 3 being a little shorter. Wave 5 has to be shorter than wave 3 because you can't make wave 3 be the shortest wave in Elliott wave rules. That's an absolute rule. So 202.13 means the maximum wave 5 can go is to 2321. 2321.25 or less. It doesn't even have to go that far. So that's why I'm saying we are in the fifth minor wave of the fifth intermediate wave of the the final fifth primary wave up. Okay, and that doesn't do any good. It doesn't help me because I need to rescale it, then scope back out. So that is the picture. We are in this final stages of this huge rally from March 2009. And actually it's the top from a lot longer than that. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart shows the last 2 months have been nothing but little doji candles in here. No big strong movement at all on the S&P 500. The end of July, 2173.60. We are actually down. What did we close? At 2168.27. 2168.27. We are actually down 5 points over the last 2 months, August and September. So either this is a pause or this is a top. And I think we are very, very close because of the wave count that I'm seeing in the daily and the weekly chart. We are very, very close to being right here at the top, and that's why I just think this market is in the final death throes of this entire bull move. All right, let's take a look at the high yield bond fund. Same thing here on the high yield bond fund. It continues to show short term that it wants to rally higher, but I think that also here, this is in the final stages of this move. I think we are in an A, B, C counter trend move, and this C wave is being an ending diagonal. It's a series of 3 waves in here, and this last final fifth wave within C is going to come up here. Sometimes it can throw over the top of this trend line, but we are very, very close, I believe. When we look at home builders, this home builders has continued to break down. This trend, this move up from the February low, we've broken that trend line, and now it just looks like it's falling out of bed, which is not good for the economy. The home building industry, as we all know, ripples through the economy in so many sectors. The semiconductor, also in the final stages. We had this lengthy wave 2 here, and then I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, shallow wave 4. We pulled back. We completed intermediate wave 3. We've pulled back into that wave 4, which is what I was expecting. That's why I put these dotted lines into that range. It's exactly where we came to. And now we're in this 5th and final move of the semiconductors also. So we're getting very close to the end here on this move. All right, that's it. I think, yeah, that's it for today, everyone. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please share the video. And if you are not watching this on my website, head on over to the website and check out what I've got for the insider members and the membership over there, my course and other things I've got, and past posts. All right, everyone, have a great week this week, and I'll talk to you again on Wednesday.